Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, CircleDNA!
This was really easy. You can go to the website, order it, send it to your house, and it's honestly just a cheek swab. So it came like this, opened it. Inside here was a little swab. I went, popped it back in there, set it off with UPS, and 2 weeks later, I had my results.
So this is a DNA test that gives you 500 plus reports over 20 categories, so you can learn more about your body, about your health, your genetics. It's going to tell you your risk for certain diseases like cancer, and which diet and nutrition is optimal for your body.
You'd know that exercising daily, eating healthy is just one part of the equation. Genetics play a huge part in like how our bodies function, like how we digest food, our height, our weight, and I've always wanted to kind of understand my genetics so that I can really live an optimal life.
So what are you waiting for? Go to CircleDNA.com and start your DNA journey now.